Marthedal Solar, Air and Heating, the leading Fresno heating service and maintenance company since 1976. We're here to tell you that you need routine heating checkups. It's easy to overlook the need to care for your heating because basically it's out of sight and out of mind. These systems operate all the time without any complaints, and suddenly they break down without any warning. But I assure you, this is not a sudden occurrence. Proper routine and maintenance will help keep the system from breaking down. Your furnace, your boiler, and your heat pump all need some periodic care, just as any other car needs an oil change or just as any other appliance needs some love and care periodically. Some benefits of a routine maintenance visit include the increased dependability of the central heating system, prolonged equipment lifespan, and maximum efficiency, which also results in lower utility bills. You'll know it's time for a heating system service when really you haven't had anyone over your house in the past year, or you suspect your system might break down. You might have dirty or clogged air filters, your ignition or pilot light have had recent problems, your thermostat is misreading or just malfunctioning altogether, the furnace is not functioning properly, and it may be too loud or noisy. Prevention is key. With a service and maintenance visit, you are avoiding costly repairs. So reduce the likelihood of breakdowns from your central heating, especially on holidays when the technicians are hard to reach. You can also sign up for a routine maintenance service from our technicians so that we can help identify potential problems and have them fixed quickly. So give us a call for a visit to have a routine maintenance service from an expert technician. Visit our website to learn more at this link down below. While you're at it, you might as well read our Google reviews to see why we have 30 reviews, all 5 stars, like this one here from Linda C, saying, "My husband and I were so pleased with the unit we put in our house. The personnel that worked in our house were so respectful of our family and were so concerned about not getting in our way. I would gladly refer anyone wanting a new unit to go to Marthedal Solar, Air and Heating."